Hi, this is Dr. Cure, and in this video I am going to talk about face tightening, and I will be sharing two very simple home remedies, or you can say, face masks that you can make by yourself. They are very easy to make, apply, and just by using them once, you will feel the results. But the main thing is you have to understand why you need these things now, whereas before, you didn't. Actually, if you are having any problems with your skin, this means you have to work on your health. Everyone says, and I also repeat, that the skin is just a reflection of your gastrointestinal tract. Why? I will explain. If you are experiencing loose skin or you want tighter skin, the first reason could be aging. As we age, our bodies produce more free radicals, which damage our body, our cells, and the skin's elasticity. This is a natural phenomenon. But if it's happening early, it means you are not eating well and not getting the vitamins and minerals your body requires, leading to faster aging. This is one of the reasons. The second reason is stress. If you observe someone who has a lot of stress, you'll notice they have wrinkles and aging skin. This is another reason. The third and important reason is a lack of collagen. Collagen is crucial. What is collagen? Collagen is like glue, it holds everything together. If your body lacks collagen, the skin sags, leading to wrinkles and aging. Why are you lacking collagen? Because your gastrointestinal tract, especially your gut flora, isn't in good shape. This means you are missing key enzymes, so your body can't absorb or make collagen from the food you eat. These are the reasons you need to work on your health. Now, I'll share two home remedies. Try them, and you will see results. But remember, without working on your health and changing your lifestyle and food habits, they won't help as much. You need to eat lots of vegetables. There's no alternative. Vegetables will help you, so eat them, and use these home remedies. The first remedy is very simple. It involves using chickpea flour, also known as gram flour or besan. Take this flour and mix it with water, then apply it to your face. How much you use depends on the size of your face. Maybe 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoons will be enough. Mix it with a little water and apply it, then leave it for a few minutes until it dries. As it dries, you will feel your skin tighten. Then, wash it off with room temperature water. While washing, use upward strokes on your face, giving yourself a lifting massage. That's enough. Just by doing this, you'll instantly feel your skin has tightened and lifted. You can do this 3 to 4 times a week or every other day. It's simple, but very effective. The second remedy is more effective. It has more ingredients and will give you results with just one use. For this, you'll need 1 teaspoon of peanuts, half a teaspoon of white sesame seeds, and 3 tablespoons of milk. It can be cold or at room temperature. The temperature won't make a big difference. Ensure the milk covers the peanuts and sesame seeds. Leave it for about 1 hour. After an hour, grind everything together and extract the mixture. You can use a cloth for extraction or whatever method you prefer. Once you have the liquid, add 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour and if you're not allergic to it, half a teaspoon of honey. Mix it all together, and your face mask is ready. Apply this mask to your face and massage for at least 2 minutes. Then leave it on for 20 minutes until it dries. After that, rinse it off with water, and again, use upward strokes as you rinse. In just one wash, you will see a glow on your face. If you've had good sleep and are not stressed, you will see results with just one wash. So try this. Remember to focus on your food and your collagen, which you get from vegetables and good digestion. These things will help you for sure. This mask can be applied 2 times a week. The second one can be applied 2 times a week as well. Try them and let me know in the comments. Smile more, avoid stress, stay happy, and stay healthy.